I haven't done an unboxing video in forever. So, technically this is just going to be an unpackaging, but still. So let's go ahead and open up what this box here, the package. I may need help to do this. Let's see. Oof, okay. Hold up. I should really put the camera on a tripod. I don't want to ruin whatever's in here. Oh, I know what's in here. You probably know what's in here too, for the title of the video. Hang on. This is not going to work. Trying to see if any of these would work. I don't think they would. Nope. Actually, would this work? No, that wouldn't work. Might work temporarily, but... Oh, there. Okay. Okay. Take it out. And we got some bubble wrap. And it's taped with that tape that never comes off any easy way. Well, at least they packaged it good. Just tear open the bubble wrap, that works. Okay. What is it? Flip it around. Nothing. Flip it over. But General Electric. So that's right. Another smoke detector. This is a GE Home Sentry? Nope. Home and Away. This is a travel smoke detector. And you may be wondering what this thing's all about. And you may be wondering what this thing's all about. It'll all become clear. Open it up, and you'll notice the triple slot metal sensor and the trumpet piezo horn. This is model number SMK-2. And it's actually, that's the Black & Decker model number. This is actually model 8201-401C. Because it has the exact same mounting tabs that the 8201-401C has. In fact, compare. Pick up the camera here. Here's my 8201-401C. And here's the SMK-2. So, they're the exact same components. Metal triple slot sensor and the trumpet piezo horn. Only difference is this one has the brown base, but this is a rare variant. It has that brown base. In fact, most of the ones I've seen have the white base. So this here is for attaching the detector to a door. So you move it out like that and you can slide it over like a door or something. So yeah, really cool. And this thing actually turns the detector on and off. So when you're plugging it, when you plug it in here, what does the thing say? Yeah, when it's plugged in, it's active, and when it's unplugged, it's inactive, and that's to keep it from going off, I guess, accidentally when it's in your luggage or whatever, suitcase or yeah. So these are actually very rare. Very uncommon. Federal 3T22 on eBay has one, or eBay, what am I saying? YouTube has one, and I don't know if Nathaniel has one or not, actually, but yeah, these came after, I think, a few years after the introduction of the 8201-401C, obviously, because they have the Black & Decker model number, but yeah. It's Also has 2 microcuries of americium. So let's go ahead and test it. Now I do have some batteries here, but I think they're a little dead, so we'll see what it does. Okay. This is going to go in. This is a little bit different. This one has a clip there. This one, as you can see, does not have a clip there. Sorry about the lighting. It's kind of bad. I don't know why that is. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Battery's in. Let's attach the connector. Yep. Didn't go off when I put the battery on. Alright. Ready? Let's test. And it does the familiar GE warble tone that basically all of these did, except I think for some of the latest ones that did a slow 5/6. And yes, this battery is low because it's chirping at me. So let's test it without the cover. Okay. I love the sound these make, so, you know, I saw this one pop up on eBay and I'm like, oh, you know, I have to have that. If I could get this battery out of here, that would be nice. The battery out. Discharge. And this one sounds the exact same. So, yeah, unplug this thing. And this case is actually to carry it places with you. Really, really cool. I love the General Electric on there. Looks like it didn't come with any mounting hardware or anything, obviously, because it's not supposed to be installed permanently. So let's take a look at the manual here. So, first, open it up here. And so it's GE Home and Away portable smoke alarm with deluxe travel pouch. Yeah. That's upside down. Okay. Oh, somebody crossed this out. What was that originally supposed to say? The Home and Away portable smoke alarm is designed to provide you and your family with added protection when traveling for business or pleasure. Use this smoke alarm in hotels, motels, or campers. So somebody doesn't want to be using this in a camper. I wonder if that was the previous owner that did that, or that was from the factory. I don't know. That's weird. All stuff about. That's a pretty cool drawing there. Also, they recommend installing it permanently if you can install a smoke detector permanently, but they don't mention that they also sold models that are meant to be installed permanently. Or do they? I don't think they do. No. Okay, so, oh, here we go. There's a drawing of the smoke detector itself. I've never seen one of those. I've never seen the manual for this detector, for that one. So, that's a pretty cool drawing, actually. The drawing in here doesn't have that extra battery clip on this side of the base. Oh, so you can turn the door hanger bracket around with this side if you have really long doors or something, I guess. That's pretty cool. Oh, that was the back. And then there's the back with information about GE. Okay, so really cool. So I think that's it for this video. That's the GE Home and Away smoke detector, travel portable smoke detector model SMK-2, and touching on the GE Home Sentry 8201-401C. So thank you for watching, and more to come.